Hello everyone, and welcome back to the CEO Nutrition Education channel. My name is Alana, and I am a nutrition educator for the Commission on Economic Opportunity. Did you know that using a slow cooker can be a quick, simple, and inexpensive way to prepare meals for your family? Using a slow cooker also saves electricity. A slow cooker uses less electricity than an oven and doesn't overheat your kitchen. It can also save money. You can use less expensive cuts of meat because the slow cooker makes them tender. Slow cookers also save time. Slow cookers usually allow one-step meal preparation and easy cleanup. For our activity today, I will be demonstrating how to use a slow cooker. If you'd like to try this activity at home, you will need a slow cooker or crock pot, green, red, or yellow bell peppers, red or yellow onion, zucchini, carrots, 1 pound of boneless skinless chicken breast or lean beef, a 14.5-ounce can of no salt added tomatoes, 1.5 teaspoons of oregano, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and a can opener. Before beginning this activity, remember to wash your hands using soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds to ensure safe food preparation. We then want to thoroughly wash and dry all of the produce that we'll be using for this activity. Once our produce has been washed and dried, we can begin preparation for our activity. Begin by first chopping your zucchini. Then remove the seeds from and chop your bell peppers. Next, chop your carrots. In my fridge, I only had baby carrots, so I decided to chop them even smaller to use for this activity. Next, chop, dice, or slice your onion. After all of your produce has been chopped, open a can of no salt added tomatoes and measure them out into a bowl. Remember to always rinse and dry canned goods before opening. Measure out 1.5 teaspoons of oregano. Then measure out 1 teaspoon or 2 cloves of minced garlic. Handle raw meat last. Trim any fat from the chicken breast or beef that you'll be using and season with pepper or additional herbs and spices of your choosing. Be sure to wash your hands after handling raw meat or poultry. Now that we've prepped all of our ingredients, turn your slow cooker on to begin heating and add a little bit of olive oil to the bottom, followed by garlic, onion, carrots, zucchini, and bell peppers. Stir to combine. Place chicken breast on top of vegetables. followed by the no salt added diced tomatoes. Sprinkle the oregano over the vegetables, chicken, and no salt added tomatoes. Lastly, place your lid on the slow cooker. Turn to high and allow to cook for 2 to 3 hours or until chicken breast has reached a safe internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Stir occasionally, or at least every hour, to ensure that the vegetables do not stick. Spoon over brown rice or whole grain pasta, or onto a whole wheat tortilla and enjoy. Would you try this slow cooker recipe at home? Let us know in the comment section below. Be sure to also watch our video on slow cooker tips and recipes, and visit the link in the description for a copy of the handout. Thank you for watching. Feel free to comment on our posts or send our nutrition educators a direct message with any additional questions, comments, or concerns.